Did you know that lovebirds? Picture a pair of radiant, vibrant lovebirds. A symbol of affection, devotion, and lifelong companionship. But did you know they're more than just a romantic icon? These captivating creatures are known for their inseparable bonds, mirroring the power of love. They whisper sweet chirps, an enchanting song of companionship and trust. Yet, lovebirds aren't all about love. They're also intelligent, agile flyers with a colorful personality, eliciting admiration worldwide. Just like love, they bring a burst of color, joy, and inspiration into our lives. Lovebirds, a testament to the enchanting beauty of love and companionship.